In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unclog your sink with vinegar and baking soda. So what you're going to do firstly is to just grab your baking soda. I used about 1/4 or 1/5 of the bag, and I actually just poured it in, as you can see, in the sink hole itself. So you can use about 1/5 of the bag. You can even use much less than that if you want to. But I used this amount because I think that the more I use for it, the more I basically will be able to get rid of all of the things that is currently clogging my sink. And then after that, of course, we're going to use the vinegar. So I'm going to pour some of the vinegar, and here as well, you don't really have to pour that much if you don't want to, but I used a little bit of vinegar, as you can see. So just, yeah, pour as much as you want to, and you can also see that it starts to bubble a little bit. And after, you have to wait about 30 to 40 minutes. I would suggest just let it like bubble a little bit, and then after like 30 to 40 minutes you can just basically add hot water. So boil your water and then just add it to your sink, and as you can see, it starts like boiling a lot now, but that's a good thing. So just give it like 30 to 40 minutes and then pour some hot water. As you can see, I did it 2 times as well, because as much as you can pour, you will be able to kill all the bacteria and stuff like that is also currently, like, yeah, maybe it's like has some bad smell, for example. So it's good to like pour a little bit more if you can. And as you can see, I'm pouring a little bit more here as well, but yeah, just do it as much as you want to, and then hopefully this will be able to unclog your sink.